Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you all? Hope you guys are doing great. I am perfect as always. Sorry. Okay, now welcome back to Yami's Biology. Hope you guys liking my previous videos, and let's get started, or let's get into the video. Friends, in the previous video we discussed about the divisions of biology, which are mainly zoology, botany, and microbiology. Zoology is the study of animals, botany is the study of plants, and microbiology is the study of little things or microorganisms. Now we are moving forward to toward the branches of biology. Actually, there are many branches of biology, but in today's video I am going to be discussing about 5 branches of biology. Let's just name them. Let's write them briefly. Okay. Now, what is morphology? It will be little difficult to write each definition like this, so I am making things like this. Yes. Okay, what is morphology? Morphology is the study of forms and structure of living things. Now, what is meant by that? Morphology is the study of forms and structure of living. Study of forms, like how many forms in which we are in. It could be by species to species, and it could be by organism to organism. Like species are different from other species, and organisms are also different from other organisms, and the population is also different from other population, and even the organs are also different from one organ is different from the other organ. So actually it is a study of forms. And what else? Structure of living things. Study of forms and structure of living things, like living things are arranged in what kind of manner, and lots of other things, like, okay, so it is actually the study of forms and structure of living things. Now moving on to the other branch, which is anatomy. No, it's not anatomy, it's anatomy. Okay, so what is anatomy? It is the study of, it is little different from the previous morphology. By what? Let me discuss it. Let me write it first and then I'll discuss it. Okay, anatomy. Anatomy is actually the study of internal structure. In morphology, we are not specified to the internal structure, but in anatomy we are definitely specified with internal structure. Like we have to study the internal structure of living organism, either the human or some other sort of animals. Sorry for this background interruption, and just bear with me. Okay, so it is actually specified with the internal structure. Like if we are studying the anatomy of birds, we have to discuss its internal structure, not the physical parts or not the hardware type of thing. So that is anatomy. Now moving on to the other term, which is histology. Histo. Histo is actually cell, and logy is study of it. Study of cells. But this is not enough. The study of structure and functions of cell and cell organelles. What is histology? It is study of structure and functions of cell and cell organelles. Like study of and functions of cell. Like if the cells of brain, now what they are going to do? Like this is a cell of brain. Now we are going to be studying that what this brain cells does. Actually, brain cells are normally the nerve cells. So nerve cells are not like this. They are sorry, but I'm very bad at drawing. So the nerve cells are mainly in histology. What we are going to study? We are going to study the functions. Functions, actually, this is the nerve cell. What is this going to do? It is going to convey messages to all the body parts, from brain to all the body parts, and then convey the message back to the brain. This is the function, and this function of cell and the cell organelles. Like if this brain, we have this dendrite and this axon. Okay, so message convey from this. If the brain signals from brain to other parts, and if it return back, then it goes like this. We have this shift portions in which the message gets to dendrite by jumping. Because of jumping, the message conveys very fast, and that's why the brain functions very well. Okay, after cell biology, the last term is not the last term, but the last term of today's lecture. Physiology. What is physiology? Physio. Actually, I teach you by partitions so that you can get it well. So what is physio? Physio is actually the physical parts. And logy is actually the study of it. So physiology is actually study of the physical parts of any sort of living organism. So, but as we know, this is not enough. We are going to move forward to the definitions. What is physiology? It is a study of functions of different parts of living organisms. Like if we are considering the living organism a human, so we have brain. We have our legs, we have hands. Actually, these are not the organs, but these are the physical parts. We are going to be discussing about skin. Actually, you guys might know about the physiotherapist, that their main focus is on the physical parts of the body. So in the physical parts of the body, we are going to do the exercises to heal the joints, and etc. We are all discuss such sort of things in this branch, which is physiology. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you guys I hope you guys consider it helpful, and if this happens then please give it a like. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.